Generac CEO Aaron Jagdfeld. Aaron, it's great to have you on. And as we tend to see coming into hurricanes, for better or worse, Generac stock has rallied this week, up 5.5% in the first 2 trading days. Just want to get your thoughts and your context around what you see, whether it is this hurricane or record high temperatures through the summer or other major weather-related and climate-related events, what that has meant for demand for your products.
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Morgan. Well, I mean, obviously, it's not just one thing, right? You pointed it out. It's not just the hurricane threat. It's not just the threat of a heat wave that a particular heat wave brings. There were storms this past weekend in Michigan that knocked out power to 750,000 households. It seems to be a recurring theme here, and we've seen this. We track outages. This is our business, right? It's been our business for over 60 years. And so we've seen a preponderance of outage events. We've seen an increase in not only the frequency of those events, but also the duration. They're lasting longer. And so, people are looking at this, and look, people are smart. They see the challenges that grid operators like ERCOT are having in Texas. PG&E just issued, a power safety shutoff warning for tomorrow for 7 counties in Northern California. These are things that are happening with more frequency that, even a decade ago, you couldn't have made it up. You wouldn't have thought somebody would send you a voluntary, conservation notice by email to say, turn your air conditioning up or the lights are going to go out. And people are investing in products like ours to protect their homes, protect their businesses, protect their families.
Yeah. I mean, on the one hand, to your point, power outages drive demand. And certainly in the commercial and industrial business, you've been seeing stronger than expected growth. And that's a business that you've been growing out for a number of years now. But then on the residential side, where you control something like 3/4 of the U.S. market for standby generators, an inventory buildup and higher interest rates, and it would seem a consumer that we know from retail earnings, just even in recent days, has been spending more on services than goods. How do you balance that out? What does that mean for Generac?
Yeah, certainly, there's pressure on big ticket discretionary items that, are tied to kind of residential investment, whether it be, remodels or, some type of project around the home. You've seen this, you've heard this from a lot of our retail customers as well, like Home Depot and Lowe's have seen those bigger ticket purchases come up against some resistance. So there's some headwinds there. But again, when there are outages, when the power actually goes out, it's interesting to see how homeowners and business owners will prioritize, having that backup power in lieu of something else they might have otherwise invested in around the house or in their business. So it's kind of a reprioritization that takes place when the outages do happen. In the absence of any outages, you're right. I mean, I think those categories like ours would probably struggle, but we are seeing these outages happen with a greater frequency, and people are preparing for them. And look, we're talking about it endlessly on all these programs, how the rush to decarbonize our sources and the rush to electrify everything on the demand side is creating these kind of massive imbalances that grid operators are struggling to deal with.
So what does that mean at Generac, where I know you are working with utilities and you're also working with homeowners to try and navigate some of those issues?
We are. I mean, obviously, with a homeowner, we want to get them a product so that they're protected. With a utility, what we want to do is get that product actually enrolled in a program where it can be virtually called upon and aggregated together with other products to supply power to the grid or help take power off the grid, off the demand side, during periods of high stress when there are high temperatures, low temperatures, any kind of event that might be happening where the grid is going to be under stress. So we're working on both sides of the equation. And, again, I think the utilities, they have a lot to consider when they're putting together programs like that. I mean, they're all regulated bodies, and so they have to get those through their regulators. For consumers, it's all about where do they get the funding from and how do we get that project going so that we can get ready for the next, whether the next hurricane season or the next winter storm season coming.